Welcome to Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we are playing Can You Solve This Game? We're at the very end of a game, and we have a little bit of an impasse here. We have these three cards left, and we're not sure what to do here. Now, we could give up, but the question is, can we go further? And the other question is, how would we go about doing that? Now, one way, of course, is to look at this nine of hearts and say, did we play this in a different way, where this nine of hearts can go up top, and then okay, now we can move the 10 of hearts up, and then we can move this 10 over. That's one way. Another way is, okay, if we can't get this nine of hearts, we can undo a bunch of times until we get to the spot where this 10 of hearts came from originally, and then not play it, and then instead of playing this 10 of hearts, play this 10 of diamonds and see what's under here. So obviously there's going to be a 2 of diamonds under here, and I think let's see, some other cards as well. So yeah, so the question is, can we or can't we? And this is one of the big things you need to be able to do at the end of a game if you want to be able to solve it. So let's go take a look at this here. Again, it's game over unless we figure out something here. So the 9 of hearts we need to go back a little bit and see where that 9 of hearts came from. Okay, there's the 8 of spades. And I believe the 9 of hearts was the first card. Let's go back to where we were. Okay, this is where we were. 2 of spades and 9 of hearts. Okay, so we need that. We need to play the 2 of spades first, and that would drop the 9 of hearts, I believe. But we played the 5 of clubs, so we have to play this a little differently. Instead of playing all of these cards, we would need to play the 2 of spades. Let's try that angle here. Now the 9 of hearts is going to drop. Okay, the 9 of hearts drops right here. But we have to move the 7 and the 8 of hearts. The problem we have here is, well, let's see. Move this up top. We can't move these clubs around. That angle doesn't work. So we need to move that 5 of clubs first, which kind of bottlenecks us with the 9 of hearts. So the other question we have is, okay, the 9 of hearts came from there. Maybe we can manipulate from earlier. So 4 of clubs up. We don't play the 6 of spades down. So yeah, we're going to try a lot of stuff with the draw pile. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, what we can try is this 10 came from somewhere. This 10 is here. We figure out where this 10 came from and don't play it, and then save this 10 and put it in that spot right there. That's another alternative. So let's see how this option goes here. We'll play the 4 diamonds and the 3 of spades. Again, diamonds is going to hold us up, but we need to play that card there. Okay, let's go back again. Now we have our option here. If we can get this 9 of hearts down. Again, look at this right here. We're going to play the 6 of clubs there. We have 7 of hearts up, 8 of hearts up, and we want to play this 9 of hearts next, which will be our next option here. So let's see if we can figure out how to pull this down. We need to play one card, and that's going to be the 2 of spades. We're going to play the 2 of spades. And what I'm looking at here is this draw pile. If you play one card over here, that means one card over here, the first card here is going to drop, and that'll be the first card we'll see. So, okay, let's go back. Now the 9 of hearts is up, and here we have managed to play it the way we wanted, and we can play this 5 of clubs, which is kind of cool. So, yeah, that's basically how you do it. Now the real question is, let's undo that there. The real question, of course, is, let's see what two we have. The 6 of spades, and we might want the 6 of spades. So let's undo that next move here. We're going to save this move for a minute. You got to be very careful with the draw pile at the end of the game, otherwise it can cost you. What we're going to do is we're going to, if you notice, there's the 2 red 10s, right? We want to move this 10 of hearts up top, what we're going to do is take this 9 of spades, move it over here. Now we can move the 10 of diamonds here. Once, of course, this 10 of hearts is up top. Okay, that's good. Now the big question is this the 2 of diamonds? It's not, but it's the jack of diamonds. That's a good card for us. We'll move that over there. There it is, the coveted 2 of diamonds. That's the card we want. And, you know, this is one of the big differences between not being able to solve and being able to solve a game at the end. There we find that 2 of diamonds and we get the job done here. It's just a matter of, let's see, we wanted to, well, let's play the spades first. 4 spades. We'll play the diamonds. We pretty much have this solved here. 5 of spades. 5, or we want the 6 of spades next. We're going to pull that down. Okay, we can pull it down like that. 6 of spades. 5 of clubs. And you just got to put the 7 of spades up, and we have it solved there. But yeah, that's what you need to do to be able to solve these tough games toward the end. And if you can do that, your win percentage is going to go way up. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.